How do you create exercises within a course? Hello, I'm Sarah Cordiner. I'm a qualified teacher trainer, curriculum developer, and course creation specialist. Now, when it comes to exercises, what many of us do, no fault of our own, is compare what we learned in school and how we experience traditional education as how we should be teaching in our courses. And the truth is, we kind of need to throw a lot of what we experienced as students well out of the window. What we tend to see happening in the course creation space when it comes to exercises and quizzes and tests is that formal, just doing it because surely all education has quizzes and tests and exercises at the end. Sometimes we really don't need them. We need to come right back to what is it that we are trying to give people by the end of your course. What are they trying to achieve? What are they trying to get done? What result do they want to have? Now, unless your exercise or quiz or assignment or project, whatever it might be, is directly helping that individual implement or achieve that destination, the learning outcomes we call them, then why have it? It is not necessary. It is overkill. It's making people do stuff that's not required. Now, I'm telling you now, nobody joins a course because they can't wait for the homework. People join a course because they can't wait for the results to happen that has been promised to them. Your exercises must only be direct steps towards achieving that outcome. So if first of all you just scrap everything that doesn't do that, then you will be left certainly with some exercises that are really going to help your students move forward. And there are so many different ways to get people to do exercise, to implement what they're learning as they go through your course. And these can be delivered in a vast array of formal or informal methods. One of the easiest ways is to get people to reflect on what they've learned, and you can get that quite simply by in your video saying, now you've just learned X, Y, and Z, I'd like you guys to grab a pen and paper and now journal the following things, or now answer the following questions. And you can simply list those questions down in the text section of your lesson. You can take it one step further and create a worksheet. And one of my favorite ways to do that is using Canva. Now, I actually have for you a number of course creation templates for free that contain professionally designed Canva workbooks for courses that will suck straight into your Canva account, and you can brand in your own branding. If you'd like to grab that, comment below or DM me and I will send the link through to you. And yes, it's completely free of charge. Now, by using these templates or worksheets, you can then fill in the blanks, you can create your questions, you can add in instructions, brand them all with your own branding. And in fact, Canva today has an amazing suite of professionally designed worksheets for you. If you just go into Canva and in the search bar, type in worksheet or workbook, you will find loads and loads of templates that you can use that look absolutely fantastic and are really easy to brand. If you want to then get really creative, they're the two simplest ways to create these worksheets or create exercises or implementation for people. You can take it to the next level by then creating communities, or what's called in education social learning environments. This is where you can use a community feature in an online learning platform. For instance, Techmatics has communities that comes with the course platform. You can create these special groups for your students to come together, network, talk, discuss and share. You could even get them to collaborate together on group projects. You can bring people together on Zoom calls and create real live interactive projects or exercises in person. Really, the sky's the limit with the creativity of how you are going to get people to implement the learning. The important thing is that they are implementing something that is going to get them the result, and that you're not just putting exercises in there for the sake of an exercise because that's how we did it at school. All right, if you've got any more questions, that is obviously an absolute very basic overview of creating assignments. If you have any questions, drop them below. I will come back and answer those. But if you want to create amazing training courses, coaching programs or memberships that your learners will absolutely love, that are going to leave you 5-star reviews, that are going to make you the absolute guru go-to leader in your industry and has hundreds of people singing your praises, you need to create a proper course or coaching program that has been put together by a qualified teacher, not one of these marketers that thinks they know how to educate. Oh, that was a dig, wasn't it? But it's real, guys. It depends on, whether you want this done properly, if you want your courses to follow the appropriate principles of adult learning, if you want true transformation and knowledge to take place, come and do it right on Concept to Course. In Concept to Course, we teach you how to come up with your topic, how to create your content, how to do your filming and editing, how to do all of your tech, and the all-important how to do the marketing and the launching, which is actually the biggest part of creating any product at all. Come and see us there, Concept to Course. I cannot wait to help you get that course out of your head and into the hands of your students all over the world. I'll see you there.